just woke up, and as you can imagine, we're going on in this, this is day one of our wind event in California, and I'm in Elk Grove, and these gusts, let's just say, they're kind of crazy. In the distance, you can see like all this smoke. That's what that orange and brown color is. That's all smoke. And if you watch, right now the winds aren't as bad, but they're going to pick up. Currently the gusts are around, right now they're not bad, like I said, but currently the gusts are around 44 miles per hour sustained. And if you keep watching, you'll see they'll pick up. First thing I see, I'm walking around to see damage. Here you go. Tree branch down off of this tree here. My neighbor's tree completely uprooted. Let me show you over here. Completely uprooted, as I said. You can see that. There's the full-on tree blocking the sidewalk. As I'm walking along, you'll be able to see that there's a few tree branches down. Let me show you. A few of our neighbors' branches down. As I'm walking along, you'll see there's a few tree branches down. Right there, there's one off of the pine trees. And there's a few more over here, off of here, and that one, and that one, off those trees. Yeah. Here's some more branches down. Then there's that big branch that came all the way off of that, which is all the way over there. As we're walking along, you can see there's a lot of leaves here off of trees. We come along here, this is some of the worst damage. You see cardboard off of the trash blew. There's a tree. Keep walking. You'll see that whole entire tree completely uprooted. Oh, it's terrible. The whole entire tree. We're lucky that it didn't fall on the road, but like, look at that. You can see it split there, right there. It split. Wind damage. As I'm walking through the park, you can see more tree branches down off of that pine tree. Oh, and if you thought it got better, no, it got worse. There's more down here and down there. Sorry about shaking. Oh, and it doesn't get any better than that. No, there's even more. We walk closer. See, they're pretty good size. If I pick up the branch, pretty good size. As I keep walking, I'll see this right here. Huge branch. We're talking huge. This, probably a couple feet long. It came off of that tree right there. Lots of tree leaves. They all pretty much blew in this one area over here. Branch fell off of this tree right there. Pretty good size also. Goes down to there.